Hello friends, welcome to Health and Beauty Planet. Mosquito bite is a common problem in tropical weather and rainy season. You might have experienced it when you were outside, like camping, hiking, etc. Especially in Florida or coastal areas. After mosquito bites, you will see your skin is inflamed in few minutes and itching starts. You feel tempted to rub your skin. It is frustrating always. The reason your skin is itching because when mosquito bites you, there is a special protein inside its saliva. When this protein enters in your skin, it prevents your blood clogging, so that mosquito could suck your blood easily. When mosquito is done, it flies away. But your body thinks this protein as foreign element and asks immune system to fight with it and destroy it. While your body immune is fighting with this foreign protein, your skin is inflamed, and it looks pink or red. This is called inflammation. You feel itching your skin. In this video I am going to suggest you top 5 ways to get rid of mosquito bite itching quickly, which works for me very well. Number 1. Alcohol prep pads. Rubbing alcohol prep pad may give you relief. Relief intensity vary from person to person though, but give a try to these pads first. You can buy these pads from pharmacy stores or from Amazon. I have given the link below in the description. You can buy it from there. You may carry these pads when you go out. It is under $10, not expensive. If you rub alcohol at inflamed area, alcohol will clear the mosquito saliva protein. It helps your immune system to fight it better. Number 2. Rub ice cube. Ice cubes gives the relief from itching, but it's temporary. As soon as you remove ice cube, you may get itching again, but it is worth to give a try, and best part, it is free. Get few cubes from your refrigerator and rub it on the inflamed skin. You may use ice pack strap when you are outside. Number 3. Baking soda. Take a spoon of baking soda and mix it with a spoon of water. Make the paste and apply it at inflamed area. It will give you instant relief. If you mosquito bite couple of times, use the baking soda accordingly. I have given the link of baking soda which you can buy from Amazon. Number 4. Apply hydrocortisone cream. It is a good anti-inflammatory hydrocortisone cream. It helps to reduce the inflammation and swollen by mosquitoes. Apply it few times a day. I am giving the links to this cream at Amazon. Number 5. Swan Calamine Lotion. It works slowly but effectively. You need to apply a couple of times in a day. I have given the link in description. It is inexpensive on Amazon. Please try these home remedies and suggested tricks. Please share your comments below, and if you have question, please ask it in comment box. I will reply it at my best knowledge. Thanks for watching, and please give thumbs up to this video. Please do not forget to subscribe this channel.